Hey guys, hi guys. Uh, I'm a woman, so I know what I'm talking about on today's video. So sit tight and please listen carefully. This is for women, it's for us, the girls. So guys, get yourself Bheka mina ngedwa bath salt. There may be many, but if it says Bheka mina bath salt, Bheka mina ngedwa. That's the bath salt that I'm talking about. It doesn't matter if it's red, blue, white, red, yellow, no, or green. As long as it says Bheka mina ngedwa bath salt, iswasho, then that's the one I'm talking about. Guys, it's me, hashtag bath salt guru. So guys, get yourself Amanzi isgogwana. This Amanzi isgogwana, guys, you take after bathing with Bheka mina ngedwa bath salt. After bathing with Bheka mina ngedwa bath salt, especially when you know that today I have an appointment with my man, I have an appointment with my boyfriend. Guys, if you are going to get intimate today, like later in the evening, make sure that you use these things in the morning, hours before you go to get intimate with your man. So you take Bheka mina ngedwa bath salt, you bath. After bathing, you take Amanzi isgogwana. You take a half or yes, a half of that water. Put it into anything that you can, or a vascom, sorry, vascom, or a bucket, and then wash your little lady down there. Wash her. And I'm telling you, here we are making sure that your man that day will have trouble passing through that door. We are making sure that we tighten that little girl down there. We want your man to scream, to cry, to feel like he's got a vision. Yes, the vision again. So you have to use this water an hour before your appointment. Use this water. Clean it like you are cleansing yourself. Just sprinkle the water. I'm telling you, it will go a long way. So, girls, comment below. I want to know how this worked for you. I know it works for me. I always do that. I don't normally talk about anything that I haven't done before. So do it. And then please subscribe below, comment below, and then hit the bell button. Thank you guys for being here. And always listen very carefully. Watch the video from start to end. For private converse, you can get me on my Facebook page. It's Bath Salt Guru. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you.